Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Egg salad can be high in fat, cholesterol and calories, but with a few simple tweaks you can make light and delicious versions of this comfort food classic. Egg salad is a classic sandwich stuffer, but with gobs of mayo mixed in. It can be high in fat, cholesterol and calories.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Mayo alternatives. Try other creamy condiments such as ricotta or yogurt or both together. Use Greek-style yogurt for a richer texture and less tangy hit of flavor. You could also substitute cottage cheese or hummus. The latter is a good option if you want a non-dairy binder. 29 April 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
3 to 5 days. Properly stored, egg salad will last for 3 to 5 days in the refrigerator. How long can egg salad be left at room temperature? Bacteria grow rapidly at temperatures between 40 degrees Fahrenheit and 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Egg salad should be discarded if left out for more than 2 hours at room temperature. 26 February 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Eggs are a low-calorie food rich in protein and other nutrients. Eating eggs may support weight loss, especially if a person incorporates them into a calorie-controlled diet. Research suggests that eggs boost metabolic activity and increase feelings of fullness.
Take our lead.
Eggs are among the healthiest foods you can eat. They are rich in high-quality protein, healthy fats and many essential vitamins and minerals. Eggs also have a few unique properties that make them exceptionally weight loss friendly. 31 October 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.